Oh man, what a time to be alive yesterday. What a time to be alive. Just make sure everything's working on my end. Alright, I did this like 3 different times. That's actually make sure everything's looking good on my end. I think everything's good there. I'm gonna set that up. Okay, everything is working properly. Okay, I'll be right back, everybody. Give me 1 second. Okay. So, yesterday was a crazy day, man, let me tell you. What a time to be alive. I ended up missing out on a trade that everybody else took, and it just felt painful. It was a winning trade. Just crazy. Let's just see what kind of news we're dealing with today. I do hope today is a profitable day. Just sucks. It just sucks what happened yesterday, man. It really sucks. I hope today that, you know, I hope today we end off the week on a good week, or on a good note. Hopefully today is a winning day.
Going back to school felt impossible.
Overall.
That VA covered tuition, supplies, and a housing allowance. So instead of focusing on my bills, I could focus
Because
on
if not, it's probably gonna be one of the worst weeks I've had. Probably. I mean, I'm not gonna lie. It's probably gonna be one of the worst weeks I've ever had after today. Judging by how today goes, at least. Okay, so at 7:30 a.m. we have, so in 15 minutes, we have average hourly earnings month over month. We have non-farm employment change, that's a big one. And we have unemployment rate, which is also pretty big. All three of these are red folders. And then at 9 a.m. Central Time, for me, we have ISM Manufacturing PMI, red folder, ISM Manufacturing Prices, orange folder, and revised user over month consumer sentiment, orange folder. So there's quite a bit here. My accounts still sit in profits, but yesterday was not a good day. Missing out on more profit that could have been had. I don't know, man. I guess it is what it is. It's just the way my life goes, right? But let's see here. Today I should have a video uploaded. I haven't uploaded in a minute. Gosh. Okay. So, let's go ahead and examine the market here. Now, we are trading under previous day low, so it looks like we are going lower, and on top of that, we are below the EMA. So, Market is in a bearish trend right now. These are just the very first things that I'm examining here. We are not trading on the VWAP, which is good. These are definitely one of the days that you would just want to follow the trend. So it's more likely to just go down here. I mean, even considering that, like, we're under the previous day low and we're under VWAP at the same time, it's bearish. It looks like we tried coming up here. Looks like we tried coming up here and we did not pass. Well, yeah, we did not really pass these highs. We tried to. Now it looks like we're coming back down here. I'm wondering if we're going to make a lower low. Or if market structure will really change here. We do have news in 9 minutes. So yesterday was a really good day to get in for the orb, and I missed it. It's just my luck. Let's go to a higher time frame. Well, we could potentially be coming back up to the VWAP. If market structure changes here, I think we'll come up to the VWAP. Our previous day high sits really high. I don't think we'll... I mean, we might fill the gap here between them, but... I don't know if we're going to come up to it. This market has dropped a lot since yesterday. Look at this. Wow. We were at all-time highs too. Then we just crashed.
Hi, I'm Becky Gailey with Truity Credit Union.
Let's see if market structure changes here, because if it does, then we have potential to come back up to the VWAP. We have 4 minutes until news. 5 minutes, but you know, less than 5 minutes. Today is August 1st. Let's go ahead and go to the 60-minute. Yeah, we came down a lot. The 5 minutes looking pretty nice, but I do have a feeling that we might come back up and fill that gap between PDH and PDL. Dang, look at how far we came down since yesterday. It's actually kind of crazy. Let's go at the 15-minute. US GOP stock trading ban causes uproar. What?
Well, lawmakers in Washington, D.C. are actually working on legislation to ban stock trading for members of Congress and the president and vice president after years of discussions. As Rebecca Castor reports, the bill has bipartisan support but faces several roadblocks. Lawmakers cashing in on Wall Street could be numbered as the Senate works on a new bill to ban trading for Congress.
Congress corporations the information presented to them isn't technically insider information under our current laws.
I see why they're doing it. It's just like because they have so much insider information. It's not that they necessarily have it, like that they know it. It's that they have access to insider information. So it's just like kind of dangerous, I guess. We do have 46 seconds till news release here. I believe this is also tier 1 news. Yeah, it is. But I mean, we don't really trade during this time, so it don't really matter. Should be the only tier 1 news today. Yeah. The next one is CPI on August 12th, which is also at 8:30 a.m. And then we also have another FOMC minutes on August 20th. 5 seconds until news. Let's just see how the market reacts. It's probably not going to be that great. Oh, huh? Okay, I stand corrected. It looks like we're coming down. Okay, let's see what the reports were. We had greater than our average hourly earnings month over month. We had less than for non-farm employment change. And we had a greater than for unemployment rate, which is actually worse for the economy. So, alright, that's that out of the way. Now we do also have news at 9 a.m. I'm praying we even get an entry today. Like, so it's just... Looks like we are not going to shift market structure. We might still be coming back down here. We have less than an hour for market open. Um, Still trading under the VWAP. Hello, buddy. I love the content you're streaming. I can see you have been looking to grow more through an audience that will interacting. I can help get more 1,500 real followers, 75 average reviews, 250 chatters, 25 subs, and start earning $50 per hour. Contact me on Discord. No thanks. Money markets price an 80% change of one ECB rate cut. Oh boy.
Then I learned that VA covered tuition, supplies, and a housing allowance.
I just always put my stream latency at that. Oh, we're retracing this entire candle here. We're pulling back. That's a crazy sign of buyers in the market here. They might want to flip the structure. We might be coming back up to the VWAP. It could be possible here. Yeah, that's crazy. Oh, would you look at that? There are buyers in the market. It looks like we are going to be flipping here. Or we flip in structure. At least on the 15-minute. We have 3 minutes left for this candle to close, so let's just see what happens. And we definitely are coming back up to the VWAP. Looks like we are going to be coming up and filling up at least a little bit of this gap between PDH and PDL. I have a feeling today is not going to be a successful day for the orb. Just make sure my stuff is good. I mean, we're still trading below the VWAP. And we did close above the high. So technically we did shift structure here. But we are coming back down. Oh boy, this is looking fun. Wait. Yeah, yesterday would have been a really good day if I actually took a trade. I wanted to. Never got filled. And everybody else did. It's crazy. Traders resume fully pricing at 2 Fed rate cuts by end 2025. Interesting. It's already almost 8 here. Market opens in like 40 minutes.
I was a soldier, then a veteran, a husband, and
This candle's crazy. We had lots of buyers, but I guess it was just a trap. Very strong rejection from the top. This market is gonna... I don't even know. At this point, I have no idea. I had a clue of where it was gonna go. But now it's really hard to say because we came up and the structure changed, but immediately, as soon as we opened with this candle, we just came straight down. It's crazy. Didn't even put in a wick or anything. So maybe there is still momentum for the downside, for sell side, but we just got to find that out. Lots of selling momentum. That is crazy. Lots of rejection in this candle. Oh no. Okay, so that was a lot of selling momentum on that candle. We didn't even come up once and wick the top. If this candle right here comes all the way to the top of this one, the one that we just had. I think it's safe to say that this is probably going to be a rangy day. It is 8 a.m. Market opens in 30 minutes. See what kind of day we have today with the orb. Just hope we end the week off good. So like I said, if we don't end today off good, then this week was not a good week at all.
I was a soldier, then a veteran, a husband, and a father. And with my VA home loan, I'm a homeowner. No down payment required and no PMI. Build your future with the VA home loan. Get what you earn. Visit choose.va.gov.
Not all veterans are eligible for this hyper amount of benefits mentioned here. If you have a question about paint, your Benjamin Moore retailer knows all.
You need Regal Select in an eggshell finish and directions to the post office.
Benjamin Moore paint is only sold at locally owned stores. Benjamin Moore, see the love.
A new era of power has arrived with the Alienware Area 51 gaming laptops, intentionally engineered to push more power to the CPU and GPU for maximum performance. This otherworldly power, paired with the game-changing AI capabilities of NVIDIA GeForce RTX 50 series GPUs with DLSS 4, ensures ultra-smooth, stunning gameplay. So no matter what you are playing, Alienware ensures every game runs precisely as its developers intended. Discover Area 51 at Alienware.com.
Looking for food your cat will come running for?
Come on, kitty.
Try Temptations Dry Cat Food. Packed with flavor,
We have pretty much 25 minutes until market open. It's not really too much going on here. I mean, not too much that we're looking at here. Market isn't going too crazy. I am expecting us to, man, like I said, Swiss President Keller Sutter U.S. tariffs will have very bad effect. Oh boy. I don't really know where the market's gonna go as of right now. I mean, at least on the 15-minute time frame, I have no idea, but I mean, we are under the VWAP, we are under previous day low. So we do have a lot of opportunity of still going lower here. But at the same time, I can't tell you because market structure tried to flip, and then we came back down. And this wasn't just any ordinary selling candle. This was a heavy selling momentum candle because we didn't even put in a wick. We just came straight down. So, I don't know. Hopefully my computer does not crash like it did last night, or I mean, yesterday morning. do have 3 minutes left of this until this candle closes. I think we are going to come lower for sure. Oh wow, looks like we're already coming lower. Alright, this candle ends in 40 seconds. And we do have like 15 minutes until market opens. Already. So yeah, I mean, it does look like we are coming lower here. I just want to see the first like 5 minutes of where the market's gonna go after market open. Because then I'll have probably like a general sentiment direction. I mean, this already looks like it's gonna go lower.
Thanks to
VA, I have a place to call home with the VA home loan, an education with the GI Bill, the highest quality, most affordable healthcare, and the financial support I need to manage the disabilities that I have from my service. Get what you earned. Visit choose.va.gov.
Not all veterans are eligible for the type or amount of benefits mentioned here.
What if an appliance emergency didn't have to be? If your appliances need replacement.
Okay, so that candle ended. We haven't really went anywhere yet with this one. We are just ranging. Let's have a look at the lower time frames here. I mean, yeah, this looks crazy on the 5 minute. It's crazy. This looks crazy in the 5 minute. Need to go to the 15 minute. Wait. What time was this at? This is about the time that I got in. We were coming up. Didn't know if we were gonna come past the high. Okay. Yeah, we just straight up dumped here. I came right back up. That's crazy. Came right back down. This looks ugly. But let's see what happens here. Chance of coming down still. Market opens in 12 minutes. You know the market wants to come back up. This is crazy. We got a little less than 10 minutes. So market open. See what happens in the first 5 minutes of market open. Get a sense of direction. We'll be trading both funded and eval today. Yesterday was a depressing day because I did not get tapped in, which was my fault. So I missed out on that trade yesterday, which was a good trade. Let's see. Yeah, so we mark out the high and low this one. See, it kind of faked out at first, came back up, and came back down. And I didn't really know if it was a good idea to enter because didn't know if this really, because we closed on the line, so I didn't enter. And as you can see, it was a profitable day for most everybody. Came down right away. Unfortunate. I didn't enter after that, so. Oh boy. Let's see what happens in 8 minutes. This is a pretty indecisive candle. Guess we're gonna have to wait until the next one. Here we go. Let's see if we start coming down here. 5 minutes till market opens. It's probably gonna be some anticipation before market open. As soon as market opens, we should shoot in either direction, honestly. How am I getting this? Okay, seriously. All these people using like 1 to 10 ratios. What is wrong with my pinky finger?
Getting my prescriptions has never been easier or less expensive. Now,
Alright. It looks like there's some anticipation. There's a bit of volume coming in now. It was moving pretty slow. Now there's a bit of volume coming in. There should be lots of volume flooding in at 8:30. We still have news at 9 that we have to look out for, so anticipating that. Hopefully we even get it. I hope we even get a trade in. I don't know. I don't know what's gonna happen today, but wish me luck. Wish me luck, everybody. Looks like we're coming up here. We have 30 seconds until market open. We're going to see what happens in this next candle. 20 seconds. Ten seconds. 3, 2, 1. So we're coming down here. See if we come past this low. Or will we come back up? It's probably gonna be one of those days, man. That's just indecisive. Oh, never mind. Looks like we're coming down here, but can we get past this low here to make a lower low? This is the candle that we're going to be marking out here. So oh, now we're pulling back. It's great. here we go. We're passing this low. Let's see if we can close. We might close. I don't know. We might close below this low and make a lower low. Looks like we're still dumping here. We're still below VWAP. So I wouldn't be surprised if we catch an entry on the sell side. And we're really passing this low here. Looks like we have a lot of chance of coming down. Alright. It is 8:35, so hope everybody enjoyed the stream. I'm going to be hopping off here to focus in on this trade and get my other resources ready. So yeah, hope everybody that stopped by had a good day or had a good time watching me, and I hope everybody has a good day. We'll see everybody in the next one, next stream, probably on Monday. So yeah.